Need to reinstall Windows 10, fix a broken PC, or set up Windows on an older laptop? The first thing you'll need is a bootable USB drive. Once you have that, you can use it to install Windows 10 on almost any computer whenever you want. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make one using Microsoft's official Windows files. So, let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to the search bar and search for Windows 10 Download. Open the official Microsoft website. This is Microsoft's official website for Windows 10. On some browsers, you may not see the direct ISO download option right away. If that happens, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. Then click the Mobile View icon at the top of the panel. When Site comes in, Mobile View, then refresh the page. Now, close the Inspect panel. When you scroll down again, you should now see the option to download the Windows 10 ISO file directly. Choose Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. After that, select your language and click Confirm. Now, choose the 64-bit version and the ISO file will begin downloading. The file is several gigabytes in size, so it may take some time to finish. While that downloads, open a new tab and search for Rufus. Go to the official Rufus website. Scroll down to the Downloads section and download the latest version. Rufus is very small, so it should finish downloading quickly. Once both files are ready, open your Downloads folder. Now, open Rufus. Plug your USB drive into the computer. Make sure the USB drive has at least 8 gigabytes of storage, and remember that everything on it will be deleted. Click Select and choose the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded. Next, choose the correct partition scheme. If you are not sure which one your PC uses, open the Start menu and search for System Information. Open it and look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, choose GPT in Rufus. If it says Legacy, choose MBR. Once everything is ready, click Start. You may see a small pop-up window appear. Just click OK for them. Now Rufus will begin creating the bootable Windows 10 USB. This part can take a few minutes, so just let it finish. Once the status says ready, you can close Rufus. And that's it! Your Windows 10 bootable USB is now ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to FixSoft, and I'll see you in the next one.